Hi, it's Lisa from Integrated Connections. I just returned from a conference and I was asked the same question multiple times by attendees there. And that was, do I really need to be certified to be successful in practice in this field? So I want to talk about that question. I write regularly that you don't need to be certified to start working in the field, to start pursuing a job. But I do believe you should have the intent to complete the program that you have started. And I've got 3 reasons why I think that's really important that you complete any program, certification, or fellowship that you start in integrative and functional medicine. And the first one is, we're a relatively small field right now, but the competitive landscape, it's growing. As the number of opportunities grow, as patient demand increases, so does the number of certified practitioners in the field. So if an employer is looking at 2 candidates and they're equally qualified in all areas, that tiebreaker could be if you completed the program and you're certified in whatever you've pursued for that education. And the second reason is, if you are a practice owner, I hear regularly that by completing the certification program, they saw their patient panel grow immediately. And that made sense to me because I've been an integrative and functional medicine patient for 15 years. And if I'm looking for a practitioner or a provider to help me, I will look at their education and I will also use it as a tiebreaker to see if somebody has completed an accredited program. And the third reason is, it will haunt you if you don't finish it. You are all clinicians who've already completed a program to practice and do what you do. So you understand the importance of fulfilling the requirements for the program. And you should be with the vision of, I'm starting this, I'm in the flow of it. You're building your own momentum as you go through that. You're making connections and relationships. Maybe you're finding mentors as you're doing this. You want to keep that energy going so you can finish that through to completion. And that satisfaction is fantastic once you do. Also, if you decide 2 years later you want to come back and that maybe it is really competitive now and that you do want to get that certification, it's going to be not as fresh in your mind and you won't have those established connections. So those are just 3 quick reasons why I really think that when you start a program, you need to have the intent to finish it. That's not something I think you would ever regret. I do think you can start working in the field immediately as you start getting the education because you're showing the initiative that you do want to practice this, that you're so dedicated, you are pursuing and paying for and taking the time to get the education. But I really do want to encourage everyone to finish whatever program that you start, and it will benefit you in the future.